My people been ballin', my team been ballin'. Canada 100, we use basic tools. Strategies moving where we gotta move. There wasn't no option, no time on the clock, and no setting it back, and we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the rule. We was just rebels and do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up, without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game's been no one. Gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game.
Is this thing on? Hello. How we looking here? Ooh, whoa. Hey, hi. How are you? Hi. How do people vlog with these things? Hold on. Gotta. Can't even see it's so bright out. My eyes are like. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I missed you all so much, and today we are going to be finally taking the car outside and washing it because it is absolutely filthy with all the salt on the roads and everything. It's just getting absolutely disgusting. Let's see if I can do something with one hand. So we have our rear seat delete out. I let it dry for a couple of days. Put our glossy clear coat over it. So
you will not lick me!
So it is finally ready to go back in the car. So I kind of want to vacuum the car out and get the car ready and stuff and have it looking like somewhat decent. I actually just ordered a Corsa double HH pipe for the GT. So that is super exciting. Don't get me wrong, the active exhaust from the factory sounds great. Especially in sport and track mode, but it just needs a little more like aggressive tone to it, and it needs that muscle car feeling. The Mach 1, the Terminator, and the Fox body all have X pipes. Our blue S650 had an X pipe on it, and our 2021 GT 500 had an X pipe on it. I want to be a little bit different this time and go with the Corsa double HH pipe. So I ordered that yesterday, finally. So we're gonna have that getting done hopefully soon. Especially on the S650s and the 2024s, I've noticed that the H pipe sounds so much more aggressive, and it keeps that like American muscle tone to it, I guess. And the Corsa double H pipe is probably one of the loudest ones on the decibel readers that I've at least seen so far. On the camera, you can kind of see the texture to it, right? Yeah, you guys see that? This camera's making the car look queen. It looks so queen. One thing I cannot complain about anymore is having big Brembos in the back. We have big brakes in the front, but they're not as, you know, crazy as the GT 500 was. All right. I have a hair tie. I don't know why I have this hair tie on. It just ended up there. Now, you know, now I'm just stuck with it. And if you are watching the Super Bowl, I would just like to say, go Birds, go Birds, go Birds. Yeah, go Birds. Boom. There's one.
Still no mail.
Ta-da. Okay. Cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What are you doing?
Checking the mail.
Checking the mail?
Yeah.
How'd that go?
We have no mail.
No mail? Okay. Trying to do my taxes. She's trying to do her taxes. We got a little dog to feed. We need the mail to come. We need the mail.
Rent is due though.
No, rent is paid.
Are you looking at your car?
I should live out in my car, you know?
Shoes, shirt, jacket.
You know, got my jacket for work. Got the rear seat delete so I can go to bed just in case, you know, there's extra room back there. Speaking of extra room, if you guys need a back seat for an S650, if you need an extra back seat for an S650, you let me know.
Is your car dead?
My car just glitched, is what it did. You heard how the ding ding ding?
Yeah. Don't run me over.
On a cold start, we might wake up the neighbors.
It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Are you assuming my car's gender? What are you doing? I really can't get over my car making that sound.
Hey! You're getting me wet. I did.
Mind my own business.
You're tall.
Huh?
You're so tall.
Thanks.
Oh,
I almost fell. I wasn't looking at the camera. Oh. Top quality content. That's what this is. Top-notch content. Alyssa's shoving her face in the camera.
I'm making
I don't know why, because I got the camera that had a screen on it that you can see when you're recording.
Because I'm making sure it
And
looks...
she's like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Sure, it looks good.
No,
So you don't
I appreciate
complain.
it. I appreciate it.
I get an angle.
Put this here, no.
Following his soap.
I went too fast.
Yeah, I thought you were a pro.
Back in my days.
Oh my gosh.
This red looks so good.
This freaking plant, it keeps tickling me. Cut it.
Alright, so now that we got the car back inside, the car is clean and, you know, looks so much better. I know I'm not the first, but I would just like to, I'm still so mind blown. Just the tone, like whenever you hit the start button, it goes do-do-do, 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 right, like that, yeah. But that's not what this car is supposed to do when you get it. No, I'm just so baffled. I don't know why it's like bothering me. Oh well, I don't know. It's just life, you know. Just life. Life gives you lemons. So anyway, yeah. So to catch you guys up with everything that's been going on, we're actually getting a newsletter put in for Mustang Week this week, hopefully. So if you guys see me on Mustang Week site, on any of the social media pages, that's what we're putting together today. So I'm super excited for that. And honestly, I'm just super excited in general to be going to Texas for Mustang Week and the collaboration that we got going on with Mustang Week. And all in all, the opportunities and the doors that are opening are just phenomenal, and I've been working so hard to get to this point. I know I've said it many times before, and I'll say it again. I know this car is not like the GT500 that we had, but I'm going to make this car look absolutely amazing and beautiful. I just need a little bit of time. And like I said, a lot of the stuff I want is actually taking a little while to ship. So yeah, the Corsa double H pipe that we ordered should be here sometime this week, hopefully by next weekend. And we should be installing that next week. So super excited for that because this car definitely needs an upgrade with the exhaust. Like I said, it's just gonna sound amazing. Super easy installation process. We just gotta cut the mid pipe, cut the resonator out, throw a new one in, and call it a day. So we will definitely be having some sound comparisons with that, which I'm super excited for. And all in all, the look of this car, I'm definitely doing the RTR front end. I'm still deciding on the RTR spoiler, because I kind of like how it sits without the wing. I don't know, it's just kind of my personal opinion, but we'll have a spoiler on eventually. It doesn't bother me how it is right now. I still got to get this fishbowl tinted, so still have to do that yet. The Cervinis 4-inch cowl hood, that's definitely coming, that's for sure, because I want to try it out. I know a lot of people don't like it. Some people like it, some people love it, some people hate it, you know. Some people are actually selling theirs that they got, but I have an idea. I have a plan in my head. Okay, I have a plan. Follow me here. Okay, I've never steered you guys wrong. Okay, we're gonna be fine. And then like little stuff like, you know, like a Whipple supercharger or something like that. You know, like something little. You know, and you know, hopefully we can get low 9s, high 9s in the quarter mile. Yeah, maybe something little. You know, nothing crazy. You know, get our stock shift knob off and putting the carbon fiber one in, doing something like that. You know, nothing crazy. Yeah. No. Get going. What are you doing? Oh, hello. What are you doing? Hey, you wanna get five? Sit. Get paw. Sit. Get paw. Get five. What are you doing, little attitude? Ow. You're so wild. Sit. Give back. No, sit. Ow! Destroyed your toy over here. Look at it. So while I film at this angle, I do need to get Yeah, there we go. I do need to get more Mustang Week shirts made for Texas because I think that would be really cool, you know, something really different. And I am working on merch designs, so trust me, follow me, okay? I'm working on merch designs, just be patient. But yeah, so today's video wasn't crazy. Like I said, I still got parts on order and I'm still kind of waiting to reveal everything so I can at least have a big enough video installing those things. I know I can definitely drag some of the videos out, like the exhaust video, and, you know, have a 15-20 minute video, but I kind of want to do other things at once. So, you know, you follow me? Follow me? I'm in a time crunch, so I'm trying to make everything fit and, you know, make sense. Yeah, guys, with all that being said, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next video. Show some love on this video. If you want, join the channel, become a member, monthly subscription, and you get access to all exclusive perks, polls, content, and all that kinds of fun stuff. So make sure you check that out with, you know, becoming a member on the channel. Or, as always, just subscribe, leave a like on the video, comment down below. It means the world to me, and it honestly, you know, like I said, means the world to me. There's nothing bigger than that. So, yeah. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Deuce.